employees, most of them, who had not received even a single training program during their career, especially at the field level, the lineman, the meter reader. When we started training them in BESCOM, many of them gave feedback. They started weeping, crying with joy. The first time you have asked us, you have provided some opportunity. At least somebody is there to tell us what is to be done. Nobody told us what is to be done, what are the new things happening in the market. So the training is very crucial. So we gave a lot of importance to training our employees, changing their attitude. We engage private agencies, we engage experts, we engage our retired employees to give training to our employees, because that is the best raw material with me. That raw material, if we change their attitude, that your honor may be government, but you cannot function like government department. You have to function as a corporation, as a private entrepreneur. In a private enterprise, why efficiency is there? So that type of attitude has to be there in the same thing. My honor may be government, but I am serving the same consumer who are serviced by other private people for various other services. As far as electricity service is concerned, I must give him the best service. That attitude has to come in my own people. So imparting that type of training, changing that outlook is very critical. It's a very key issue in the entire distribution segment. If we are able to change the attitude of the employees, then I think we are half the battle is won, and then we can go forward. One such example I would give, which we have done here, is involvement of our people in, say, revenue collection. About 5-6 months back, we were struggling to raise resources. The dues from public were mounting. We were not able to collect in certain areas where we should have collected from domestic consumers, from commercial installations, then light commercial installations. So we called the representatives of the employees also, the union representative, the association representative, and our officers. We discussed with them. We asked them whether we can go along, how long we can go like this. Can we allow these resources to mount like this, the outstanding to go up like this? Then they also realized the gravity of the thing. And last these 5-6 months of our drive, we found that the involvement of employees at the grassroots level increased substantially. And the result was so overwhelming that in many places, where we were not collecting even 60% or 70% of our current month's demand, the recovery went up to 140%, 150%, in some cases even 200%, because the areas started coming. So the involvement of employees and the orientation of all the employees through the leadership of the employees was very good thing which we could achieve in our system. In fact, our union representatives and association representatives, they were telling us many times that our employees are questioning us, saying that you are more than the management. You are asking questions like management is asking questions. You have not achieved this, you have not achieved that, why you have not achieved this? So that orientation, the change of mindset from the top has percolated down below. They have made it clear that if you don't recover, then we can't survive and we can't take up your costs. And message has gone to the field, and as a result, efficiency has improved. So these are some of the things which we cannot get in the book. That this is to be done, that is to be done. Do's and don't of the distribution segment cannot be universal. See, what is done here may not be applicable in other companies. It may not be applicable in a company which is city based. we have different situation in other areas. So some of these things I think we have to do a lot of thinking and take up these things. Another thing which we of course took up aggressively was the IT initiatives. Host of IT initiatives we introduced, starting with 100% computerized billing to spot billing, giving bills on the spot, then enabling people to collect checks from the field, then the assets management, works management, then cash collection management, all online on online basis. Having the arrangement with the banks for payment of consumers through their ATMs. We have tied up with banks, with post offices, thereby they're integrating our system with various other facilities which are available. We have also Bangalore ones facilities, wherein all utilities bills can be paid under one roof. So we became part of all those initiatives. So in our ESCOMs, a lot of initiatives have been taken. Mr. Vijay was mentioning about GIS, the linking of data with GIS things they have introduced here. Similarly, in other companies we are starting. Cities we have done earlier, but now across the board we want to take up the GIS initiatives in various things. SCADA is another thing which we have taken up on very aggressive basis. All our stations in the state will be SCADA compliant. Already we are in the process of implementing SCADA, supervisory control and data acquisition, wherein we will be able to monitor the status of stations centrally. Also remotely we will be able to operate those stations. We are not stopping here. We are further going down below and trying to implement the distribution automation. In Bangalore we have taken up distribution automation. Similarly, distribution automation we are going to introduce in cities, bigger cities, district places, wherein your distribution network automation also will be linked with the SCADA thing. It will all integrated. So from stations or from a control room you can operate either station or even the downstream system of the distribution. So that automation we are going to do in districts also. This is done throughout the state. Of course, the other things, interactive voice response systems, phone-in programs on with All India Radio and Doordarshan we have phone-in programs regularly. Wherein consumers, any consumer can call us up. They can pose questions. They can take us to task. The consumers ask questions. Somebody sitting in Bidar or Gulbarga, he will just ring up. He will say, "Sir, why this thing is not done?" And we have to answer. Somebody has to answer, and answer satisfactorily. It cannot be irresponsible answer with to consumers. Live on Doordarshan or All India Radio. So that it has brought a lot of accountability. If any question is raised, if any problem is posed, somebody is responsible for that problem. It may reflect on my inefficiency, it may reflect on the system, bad system. So that type of accountability we have tried to introduce in our system. We also introduced